Thinking about leveling up your AI workflow? Today, I'm putting two of the biggest names head-to-head, AnythingLLM versus WebUI. Let's find out which one actually fits your needs, fast. First up, if you're a business user or just want things to work right out of the box, AnythingLLM is your jam. Imagine a one-click install, desktop app, LLM, vector database, and document management, all bundled together. No need to wrangle Docker, Python, or external models. You get workspace isolation, so your projects and documents stay neatly separated. Plus, AnythingLLM includes built-in skills like web scraping and chart generation, all without touching a line of code. It's perfect for small teams or anyone who just wants to chat with private docs and get real work done, fast. But maybe you're a power user. You love tweaking, customizing, and building out wild AI workflows. That's where OpenWebUI shines. It's a developer's dream. Think ChatGPT, but supercharged. OpenWebUI is highly extensible. You can plug in almost any model backend and even create your own custom pipelines with Python. The UI supports everything from latex to image generation and even voice calls, so it's made for those who want full control. If you need enterprise scale, like Kubernetes or Redis, it's got you covered. And thanks to a vibrant community, there are thousands of custom tools, prompts, and presets ready to go. So, which one wins? Here's the bottom line. If you want effortless setup and all-in-one business power, go with AnythingLLM. If you crave deep customization and developer freedom, OpenWebUI is your best bet. Let me know which one you'd pick and why in the comments.